Hey everyone, welcome. So if you're using NGL to receive anonymous messages, you've probably seen NGL Pro being promoted in the app. But is it worth paying for? In this quick video, we're breaking down exactly what NGL Pro offers, what it doesn't, and whether it's legit or just another upsell. So the Pro is the premium subscription version of this service. It adds several features that regular users don't have access to, the most talked about being hints about who sent a message. But it's important to understand what these hints really are. But it's important to understand what these hints really are. They don't show names, emails, or locations. Instead, you might get vague details like sent from an iPhone near Los Angeles or message sent in the evening. These clues can sometimes help, but they're far from concrete. Aside from that, NGL Pro gives you access to exclusive games, priority updates, and tools like hidden word filters, blocking users, and a pause link feature that lets you stop messages temporarily. So as of now, it's a weekly subscription that you can cancel at any time. The app says it's designed to improve safety and let you moderate what gets through. So is it worth it? Well, if you want a little extra control and some fun features, it might be, but don't expect it to reveal full identities. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and check the description for more tutorials. See you in the next one.